Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter Q from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines. I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start on the bottom left, and let's draw a curve up, back around to the right, stopping here. Then from the bottom left, let's continue that line over to the right, bringing it out further like this. And then a wavy line down to close off the end. Next, inside, let's add another curve, but we're going to leave it open on the bottom right like this. Now let's close off that gap with a pointed V shape in and back down. And that's it for the shape of the letter Q. Let's add the eyes next. Let's start inside and let's draw a curved line here. Then for the left, let's draw a bent line up. Curve it back down at the end. Let's draw an angle in, a curve down, and one more angle to close it off. Next, let's hop up to the top left and let's add a curve. And then let's finish off the top with a rounded rectangle shape like this. Now let's erase the overlapping line inside. And lastly, for this eye, let's draw a rectangle shape inside like this. And then color it in black. Okay, now let's draw the left eye in the same way. Let's start with the curve for the bottom. Then a bent line out, curve it over, an angle down, a curve underneath, and one more angle to close it off. Now let's erase that overlapping line inside. Now let's move up and draw the top of the eye in the same way. We'll start with the curve on the top left, and then a rounded rectangle shape. And lastly, let's add the rectangular pupil inside. And that's it for the letter Q. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!